Welcome to this 5-minute morning affirmation meditation. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven for less stress and more peace. I invite you to make yourself comfortable and gently close your eyes, allowing yourself to focus within. Become aware of your breathing. Just observe it. No need to judge or force it. Imagine each breath you breathe in a brilliant white light, filling every part of you, radiating bright white light. Breathe in the light, and with each breath out, all thoughts and feelings that do not serve you and any tension is gently being released. As you listen to the following words, all you need to do is relax and lovingly allow these words to override any thought patterns you currently have that do not serve you. Let's begin. I am excited to start the day. Today is a beautiful day. I am happy and full of joy. I attract abundance and wonderful things. I am surrounded by beautiful people. Nothing will stand in my way of having a great day. I am grateful for all of the wonderful things in my life. My heart is filled with love and joy. I radiate positive energy to all those around me. I am so happy today. I feel great right here, right now. I will make the most of the day. I am ready to take on the day. Today is a great day. I am grateful for the opportunity to make this day great. Thank you for this new day. I am excited to start the day. Gently allow your eyes to open as you come back into the room and move into your day feeling positive and relaxed and ready for a great day.